Number 2, jersey number 78. Now, on the jersey number 3. Good pursue. Jersey number 21. Tumira replies. Bang. Jersey number 3, guys. Pass to Blanco. Pass to jersey number 29. Sa kanya correct. Eric, pass to jersey number 2. Pass on the foul. Foul jersey number 78. Dalawang libreng pagbubuslok. Sablay ang una. Second throw. Sablay pa rin. Jersey number 29. Pass to jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 16. Miklat. Wala ng puti.
Sanay na dyan yan. Kada liga yan.
Jersey number 3. Pass. Pass to jersey number 17. Traveling. Violation. Jersey number 24. Pass to Miklat. 3 points. Jersey number 3. Fake news. Good pursue.
Iyan na si Justin. Si Justin.
Basket down. Foul jersey number 29. Sabret.
Uy!
Sablay. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Now, jersey number 29. Goal. Jersey number 29. Sabrina. Pass to jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 15.
Yamoran. Miguel.
3 points. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 16. Pumapanay manay.
Uy! Ito ko na din narinig yung ball.
Jersey number 9. Waderno. Pass jersey number 2. Airball. Time out. Yeah.
Ay, yung isa pa pala yun.
Jersey number.
Kamukha nga lang pala yung dalawang kuya nun. Isa yung teacher.
Jersey number 16. Back to jersey number 29. Rapidly. Violation. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number. Traveling. Violation. Jersey number 29. Pass jersey number 14 back to jersey number 29. Pass jersey number 24 again. Airball. Jersey number 3. Pass. Nakita na bakal. Foul. Jersey number 16. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. Three points.
Linan shirt eh. Kaboxer. Kaboxer.
Jersey number 21.
Kakalbuhin kita eh.
Jersey number 29. Eric. Kumapanin ka na eh. Nawala ang bola. Time out.